Hey everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Monday, May 30th, and this is the stock market trading watch list for the week of May 30th, 2011. Quick note, I recorded a video about the videos, talking about common terminology and some other questions that had come up. You could find that link right before my voice starts, right after contact info. I made a new title slide with just that link on it. So pause the video, rewind, whatever you have to do in order to get that URL. Okay, I'm going to go over 4 stocks in today's video. All 4 stocks are short side entries. I am not a perma bear, but in my opinion, these 4 stocks are set up for potential shorting opportunities. I want to see what happens on Tuesday, and then I may add some long side entries for some stocks. I have a couple that I put on a separate watch list, but I want to see what we do into the end of the month and maybe even into the beginning of June. So let's start with Amazon. Amazon came up, tagged a high in mid-May, and then had this ugly candle to the downside here, and now it looks like this little inverted handle. Now, I'm not a big fan of the inverted cup and handle overall, and this doesn't look like one, but right here you could see that we're stalling out at the 20 EMA and 10-day moving average. You see we did it 2 days in a row, and even though Friday was light volume because it was pre-holiday, you can see that it was a narrow range candle here, came just shy of these highs. So I'm looking for this to test down at a minimum to the low of the range and potentially down to the 50-day moving average. So watching a 193.49 entry on the short side, 196.69 stop, 1 point gain move stops, half off plus 3 1/4 and half off plus $6.40. That's Amazon. Next stock is Netflix. Netflix has been on a nice run to the upside here, broke out of this consolidation here, but you can see the narrow range doji here at the highs. This may be looking for a pullback back to the top of this consolidation at a minimum, and perhaps even back to the breakout level. So looking at a 261.49 short, 266.49 stop, 5 points. But once again, for those of you who are new to the videos, the price of the stop does not matter. It's all about your unit size. Your unit size is the measure of risk, and I go over that in that video that I was just talking about. Okay, $1.50 gain move stops to break even, looking at half off plus 5 and half off plus $12.50. That's Netflix. Next stock is Cabot Oil and Gas. Okay, it popped up here, but you could see the reversal candle up here on Friday, looking for this to trade back to these moving averages. 57.72 short, 59.72 stop. Very tight management. 60-cent gain move stops to break even. So $2 risk, but only looking for a 60-cent gain to move stops to break even. That's less than a third of the risk. Half off plus 2, half off plus 3. And then finally, DMND is Diamond Foods Inc. Okay, also this little reversal narrow range candle up here. So on this one, looking at a 74.33 short entry, 76.13 stop. So looking at a $1.80 risk, 70-cent gain move stops to break even, half off plus 2, half off plus $3.60. Any questions? Feel free to contact me. My contact info is during the title clips of the video. Have a great trading day on Tuesday. I will talk to everybody again with management of this list.